So in this video, we're going to be talking the software AutoCAD. So here we have the software AutoCAD application. Okay, so this is mainly used for design purpose. If we want to do any kind of product manufacturing in industries, before directly getting into the process of manufacturing, we can do the design process using software so that we can make any kind of updation or any what we can get it, and then we can the manufacturing process. So that is the main process that the application called AutoCAD software. So like AutoCAD, we have the Fusion 60 SolidWorks. So here we have three of my students, Rahul, Dhan, and Deepak. So they know very well to work in AutoCAD software. So now we can get into the image or the working model. So this AutoCAD is generally used for designing 2D drawings and also 3D in Alexa. So this is our first diagram which we are going to draw using AutoCAD software. So what we are doing is like using comments. We are drawing a diagram, a basic diagram in AutoCAD. So what is this icon mainly for?
That is to draw a line.
Yes, okay, to draw a line. So the next one is?
Polyline model.
Okay. So what would be the difference between a normal line and a polyline?
So the difference between line and solid like this domain, we can also make like this already, then draw and also we can also make to level.
Yeah, so polyline, in polyline we can draw a line and draw the curve as well. So here, what is the purpose of this command, this icon?
Still not stores.
Okay, draw a circle. So by drawing a circle, we have some options here. I can either give the radius of the circle which I want to draw, or else I can give the diameter of the circle which I want to draw. So these are the options which are given here. Okay, so the next option is?
Arc.
Yes, arc. So if I want to draw an arc, I can go with this command. So few other commands are there in AutoCAD or software. So what would be the purpose for our move function?
And then we need to manage this.
This. Okay. So if I want to adjust the line, or if I want to move the line to a certain distance, I can go with this option. Okay. So rotate of shifting for still purpose.
Now it will change.
Yes. So if I want to rotate the complete diagram, either in 180 degree or 360 degree, then I can go with this rotate option. So we have a command called mirror icon, right? So what would be the purpose?
It is used to curve.
Okay. So the main provision for the designer is like left hand side became a draw up. And if I mirror gets it, then automatically I can get the right side. Yes. So that is the option of the mirror command. So how do I actually drawing? How can I provide the dimension for the diagram?
So we can use the dimension right in the results box and can communicate answer. And now I think it's in line the pressure side to the old type.
Yes, exactly. So after drawing the diagram, the tables I had to type with D. So that I get the dimension in the display, and there I can give linear dimension. And if I drag it backwards, then I can see the dimension of the line from the starting point to the ending point. So that is say it as a linear dimension. So if I'm not going to give the dimension of a line arrow, then I can go with this linear dimension. So if I want to give the dimension of a circle, then I can go with the angular dimension. Yes, angular dimension. So in angular dimension, we can even annotate so many annotating options are there. Like for example, if I want to give the areas at entry, if I want them to spare diameter, I get this day. And if I want the dimension to be the center of the vertical dimension line, I can mention. So if I want the dimension 20 above the dimension line, I can also mention that. So that is the main provision here. So if we master AutoCAD, then definitely it is going to help us for learning the advanced software is like Fusion 360, SolidWorks and AutoCAD. So the more we practice, the more we get into it. That is actually we have to do. And so here, Rafi has done by diagram very fast and quickly. So here we have the diagram along with the dimensions. So Rafi has used some of the offset command also to copy and paste the dimensions circles, I think. So this is how we have to draw a diagram in using AutoCAD. So this is a 2D diagram. We can also draw 3D diagram and make it as a 3D model using the software. Okay.
And then
I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.
right, that actually uses